Hi friends, welcome to NetTalks Tamil. Today we are going to discuss about what is TCP. The TCP is a transmission control protocol, is a transport layer protocol which is used on top of IP to ensure reliable transmission of packets. The TCP includes mechanisms to solve many of the problems that arise from the packet-based messaging, such as lost packets, out of order packets, duplicate packets, corrupted packets. See, this TCP comes under the transport layer. In the transport layer, mainly the two protocols are there, which is TCP and UDP. In the TCP used for reliable connection. It is a connection oriented. Okay, if you take an example of normal post letter and registered post letter. The registered post letter it's more secure than normal stamp based postal letter. Why the registered postal letter is most reliable? See, if you send any letter to your destination party, okay, you will be getting the updates whether you received or not, where it gets tracked. Once they received, we'll get acknowledgement. All those things will happen. But if you go into the normal postal letter, it will not get any confirmation whether the person is received or not. See, the TCP is like a registered postal letter. The whatever the message or packet sends, data sends, we will get acknowledgement. Okay, the TCP works on based on three-way handshaking. We will be seeing in upcoming slide. The TCP works protocol number is 6. The TCP protocol number is 6. Now we'll discuss about what is UDP. UDP is a user datagram protocol, which is a lightweight data transport protocol. The UDP protocol number is 17. The protocol number for TCP is 6, UDP is 17. The UDP provides a mechanism to detect the corrupted data, but it does not attempt to solve the problems that arise with the packets, such as a loss of order of out of order packets. That's why UDP sometimes we'll call it as a unreliable data protocol. See, for example, if any data we lost, we'll come to know that data got lost, but it will not resend it in the UDP. Whereas the TCP will resend the data. It will error detect and it correct also. That is the main advantage of TCP. Whereas the UDP has a lightweight protocol for the faster transmission will happen, but sometimes we'll call it as unreliable also. See, we will be using the time sensitive applications such as a real-time video streaming where the speed is more important than accuracy. Okay, most of the cases, okay, like a video streaming or those kind of things and all will be comes under the UDP. Even our VoIP kind of connectivity also will be using the UDP. Okay, for the no acknowledgement, the only time consuming, okay, it's time sensitive application. It has to send to the receiver immediately. So we'll be using the for lightweight protocol. We'll be using UDP. Okay, now let us see now what is the TCP versus UDP. The TCP is a transmission control protocol. UDP is a user datagram protocol. It's a connection oriented protocol, connectionless oriented protocol, reliable protocol, guarantee on delivery, non-reliable protocol. All secure connection is TCP based. All live streaming application is UDP based. Header size of TCP is minimum 20 bytes should be there, maximum up 60 bytes. Here in UDP it's a fixed size, it's 8 bytes. For TCP based communication you will get acknowledgement, but in UDP based communication no acknowledgement. In TCP based communication there will be flow control, but in UDP there will not be any flow control. If it does error checking, error recovery, and anonymous packet is retransmitted from the source. Here does error checking but does not perform error recovery. Simply discards the anonymous packet. The used by other protocols. The TCP will be used on the protocol DNS, HTTP, HTTPS, SMTP, FTP, Telnet, SSH. And the DNS UDP is used by other protocol DNS, DHCP, SNMP, TFTP, NTP. You will be getting doubt now. Okay, DNS is used on the both the TCP and UDP. Okay, those DNS where TCP used, where UDP is used, we will be seeing in upcoming videos. Now let us see the three-way handshake in packet flow in TCP. See, the client will send the same segment packet. For that, server will be send their own SYN packet plus acknowledgement for this packet. It will acknowledge to client, I have received the SYN packet. That acknowledgement will be sending. After that, this client will be sending acknowledgement for this SYN packet. After that, connection will get established. See, once data and all transferred, okay, it has to end the connection, right? Okay, the TCP uses four-way handshake to end the session. It will send finish packet, fin packet. After that, the PC2 will be sending acknowledgement packet along with the fin packet, and then PC1 will be responding to give the acknowledgement to this fin packet. This is the four-way handshake used in the TCP to end the session. Now let us see the UDP packet flow. UDP packet flow, the receiver will request it, send the data. Okay, the sender will respond it for that. Okay, it is a only it is not like three handshake and all. Okay, there is no acknowledgement, nothing. Request and response. That's it. Thanks for watching Net Talks Tamil. Like it, subscribe it, share it. If you have any doubts, please drop your doubts in comment box. The doubts will be addressed in upcoming videos. Thank you.